When a P0106 code pops up, your engine starts acting like it's getting mixed signals, and that can turn into a real problem fast. Stay with me, because by the time we're done, you'll know exactly what's behind it and how to fix it before it gets worse. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. Today we're looking at the P0106 engine code. If your car has been acting weird because of it, don't worry, I'll walk you through the symptoms, the causes, and the simple steps to fix it, so you can get your car running smooth again. What is the P0106 code? P0106 is a general code that means the map sensor circuit is sending an incorrect voltage signal to the engine control module. That bad signal can throw off engine performance in several noticeable ways. Symptoms to watch for: hesitation when you press the gas. The engine isn't getting an accurate air pressure reading, so it struggles to respond smoothly. Rough idle. The wrong pressure signal throws off the air-fuel mix, making it hard for the engine to stay steady. Stalling at stoplights. Without the correct air-fuel balance, the engine can't stay running when you slow to a stop. Power loss during acceleration. Inaccurate pressure data means the engine can't deliver the power you're asking for. Higher fuel consumption. The incorrect reading makes the engine dump in extra fuel to compensate, which wastes gas. What causes it? A dirty map sensor, a broken or cracked vacuum hose, loose wiring or a damaged connector, a clogged air filter disrupting airflow, low battery voltage. Simple DIY fix: check the map sensor. The map sensor is usually mounted on the intake manifold, sometimes right beside the throttle body. 1. Carefully remove the sensor and inspect it for cracks, broken pins or other visible damage. 2. If anything looks off, replacing the sensor is the best move. 3. When installing the new one, make sure the O-ring is clean, seated properly, and not torn. This prevents an air leak afterward. Final step: once everything's back in place, grab your OBD2 scanner and clear the code. Then take the car for a short drive to confirm the issue is resolved. If this video helped you out, drop a like and hit subscribe for more car care tips. Got questions or a car problem you want me to cover? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. This has been Car Care Fix.